And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We've got a great recipe today. Very Japanese and traditional, right?
A little bit fusion side, I guess.
A little fusion? Okay, great. And what are we making today, Hiro?
Okay, so today we're gonna make a buckwheat kind of salad. So main ingredient is here, the buckwheat noodle with a Soba flavor. So actually noodle is green. So I'm gonna make this one cold soba, cold noodle first.
Cold noodle, okay.
First I'm gonna boil it and after put it into the ice water. Then make it cooling down. So then I'm gonna add the ingredients over the noodle.
Okay.
So here's the main ingredients. Here, Alaskan red crabs, legs, steam already.
Right. We want to thank again our viewer.
Yes, from North Carolina.
Right.
John, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so much, John.
Great gift.
Okay.
And then here's a bluefin tuna here.
Okay.
And scallops, salmon egg, and sea urchin.
Okay.
Ova leaf, and then the carrots and the daikon radish here.
Okay.
And then here is a snow pea. This is already I pre-cooked and boiled already. And then here is a seaweed noodle. This is a very new. Looks like a very crunchy, like this.
Okay.
So seaweed noodle. And then here's a dry seaweed, and we call it kizami nori.
Okay.
And scallion, and seaweed salad, and wasabi use here. And here's edamame with a shell, and then here's all inside one, on the inside edamame here. So these are actually ready to use.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use make the soup, basic soup. Here is a fish stock, ichiban dashi, and then soy sauce and mirin. And then I'm gonna add a little bit sesame oil and sugar, and then sesame seeds. So I'm gonna make it on my own. But if you wanna make it quick, of course this is already pre-made. Last time I showed you too. This is a soba sauce, for the dipping sauce for the soba noodle.
Okay.
So you can use this one too. Instead of this, then I'm gonna make a mix with the dashi soup, soy sauce, and mirin, and I'm gonna add a little bit sugar and then sesame seeds.
Okay, very good.
Okay, so first step, let's make the dipping sauce.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna first measuring. I'm gonna use this cup as measuring cup. So ratio is 4 cup of the dashi and 1 cup of soy sauce and 1 cup of the mirin.
Okay.
So I'm gonna first put in the dashi soup. 4 cup. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay, and next one, soy sauce. One cup of soy sauce. And then mirin. Okay, and first we're gonna heat it up.
And you just bring it to a boil, and then the
yes. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add the sugar.
Okay.
Okay. Next step, the soup will start boiling. I'm gonna add the 2 spoons of the sugar, and then stop the heat. Okay. I'm gonna put it into the transfer to this container, and syrup on the ice water. Then keep cooling down.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, next step, let's start the preparation for the ingredients to put on the over the noodle. So first one, I'm gonna put the crab.
Okay.
Same as like last time. Cut off the joints. Then I'm going to use the scissors.
The meat looks
beautiful,
delicious.
beautiful meat. Look,
Unbelievable.
so nice.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm gonna keep like this today.
Now, if they don't have this kind of meat at home, they're asking king crab legs, what can they recommend? What do you recommend?
Shrimp.
Shrimp is easier, right?
Yeah, and of course, lobster tail meat.
Okay. Any kind of shellfish would be great.
Yeah, shellfish is great.
Something that's kind of meaty. I mean, crab would be too difficult, not enough meat.
Look at this. So
Yeah, it's
beautiful.
unbelievable. That's why this is so expensive. Just take a look at that.
I cut the snow pea, cut into small. And then edamame, actually, I'm gonna use this one. The bean, only beans.
Okay.
So this one actually come with the. If you go to the supermarket, you can find at the frozen section. Come with the frozen, either this one and this one, the frozen section. Like this. It's a green noodle.
Do you need to salt the water at all, or
No.
put anything in there?
That's this one.
Just like that, right? And how long do you leave it to boil? Just like regular pasta?
About yeah, we have to see this one. At least 5 minutes for
What's
sure.
the texture? You want it firm or you want it softer?
Softer.
Softer.
Because anyway, after that, I'm gonna put into the ice water. A little bit softer. I don't know what to say. Like I say, this is the chasoba. Most of the times, the chasoba is we call. I mean, that we eat with the cold one.
Okay.
So, but it's a regular buckwheat noodle. We need to add a little bit of water. Buckwheat noodle. Sometimes we do eat with the hot. You know.
Okay.
So if you hot one, you can see that in the soft, it's ready to go. But if you're making cooling down, you have to put a little bit extra the softer, because put in the ice water and you're
it's gonna firm up.
like so.
Okay, very good.
So this one we have to watch it. Sometimes as you see the water coming out. So.
Okay. Okay, Hiro-san, what's the next step?
Noodle is ready. So strain out and then shock into the ice water.
Okay.
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 Then I'm gonna put into the ice water. I'm making cooling down.
How long do you cool it down for?
Until it all the way gets cool.
And then you just strain it again?
Yeah, strain again.
Okay.
Okay, so this is we made the sauce earlier. This is already cooling down already. I'm gonna add a little bit to sesame oil. Okay, so let's start to prep all the ingredients, put it together.
Okay.
I'm gonna take the soba noodle. What we're gonna do is before I serve into the plate, I'm gonna take some of the noodle here. That. First, I'm gonna marinate with the sauce first a little bit.
How much of the sauce do you put in there?
I just do maybe 4 or 5 spoons.
Okay, just to coat it, give some flavor.
Yeah, just marinate.
Okay.
And the other times I'm gonna put a little bit of sesame seeds too. crab.
Put it all here, right?
Hmm?
You must put it all.
Yes, I do. So seaweed noodle. It's very new for us.
Okay.
This is a hotate scallops. Sashimi. Uni. Can put a little bit more edamame here. Okay. Good. A little scallions. I'm gonna put the ikura. And the dry seaweed.
Okay. What do you call this in Japanese again?
Nori. Kizami nori. Kizami is mean like a cut into like this.
Okay. Yeah, gives a nice look.
Put a little bit over. Put wasabi here.
Let's take a look at this beautiful dish here that you created. This is absolutely gorgeous. So many fresh seafood here with your special sauce. I can't wait to try this out here. Well, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you very soon.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Hiro. And it's raining. To the best part of all, the tasting.
Tasting parts?
Yes.
Sure.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so first I'm gonna put the sauce on the side.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Maybe this way you can see too, right?
Yes. Enjoy, Hiro.
Thank you. So where should I go first? I'm gonna take some uni. Also uni. Actually, very sweet this one.
The one is very sweet. Okay.
Then of course you can take some noodle. With the
Right.
uni noodle. Put it here like that, like this.
How's it?
Soba with this creamy sea urchin flavor.
Yeah.
So good.
Good, huh? And if you guys have never had some sesame oil with that mirin, soy sauce, and the dashi, right?
Basically soup stock.
Soup stock.
Right.
What a great combination. You guys got to try that at home.
tuna. Like that. Good.
Good, huh?
You can try with the crab.
The crab looks
You know, the
absolutely...
chirashi is a kind of same idea.
Yeah, same idea, but instead of the
Yeah.
buckwheat noodles, you put rice.
This one, like that.
Wow, what a piece. Look at that. So good, huh?
Very sweet. Crab is very sweet too.
Yeah.
This one's so good.
Well, here, enjoy the rest of this.
So, scallops.
Scallops. Oh, yeah, I
With
love
wasabi.
scallops.
Yeah, there you go.
I feel bad for myself just watching you eat all this. Looks great.
Very good.
Enjoy, Hiro.
Thank you.
See you soon.